I started baking in 2016 from my parents' house, and it was just me at that point. In 2020, we opened up our first store, which is just around the corner from here, and it was myself and 2 other pastry chefs. Now we are here in our current location, and we've got a wonderful team of pastry chefs and bakers. My name's Rebecca. I'm the owner of Sweet Chick here in Surrey Hills, Sydney, Australia. We are a small artisanal handmade bakery with a physical store and a big catering side to our business. In the actual shop in Surrey Hills, every day we have a full display of baked goods, sweet, savoury. We do a whole refrigerated section that people can walk in off the street and buy. We have a whole range of our standard chunky cookies, some savoury tarts and spanakopittas, sandwiches, which we also have in the shop every day. Certain days we do specials, like on Sundays we do scones. Around the festive season we have beautiful packaged biscuits. And then in general, in the shop, we have shelves full of our beautiful handmade biscuits. We also have a big catering branch, which is the bulk of the business. We do everything from brunches, lunches, dinners, afternoon teas, morning teas. We have a really wide customer base. So we have those people who order just to have at their home. We have people who order gifts to send to friends and family. But the main bulk of our business is our corporate catering clients. So we cater for groups of 10 people sitting around having a meeting for lunch to 400 people for a bigger corporate event. So I think our corporate clients really love ordering from us is because we use fresh ingredients, everything is made on the day, we have a wonderful attention to detail, and I like to have that personal relationship with the clients so we know what they want, we can guide them when we need to write a quote. We're also completely kosher certified. We also cater to all different dietaries, so gluten-free, we do a lot of dairy-free, and we're always striving to use the best quality ingredients that we can find, and you can really taste the difference.
What I love about being front of house at Sweet Chick is that it's more than just the front of house in the shop. I do come in the morning and I fill up our beautiful counter with all our cakes and savouries. I make coffees for all our amazing customers. But I also get to prepare some catering orders for all our catering clients across Sydney. We do loads of catering, from beautiful biscuit boxes to loads of savoury stuff that is all packed here, all made by the bakers back in the kitchen.
One of the things that I love about this shop is that we take custom orders, one of them being custom cakes, and my speciality is cake decorating. So it allows me to be creative and artistic within my role.
So to order from us, people will find us through our website, but also DM us through our Instagram. We share everything that we have in shop daily, so you always know the selection that we have, and we can put some stuff aside for you through our Instagram page and through our stories every day.
I have the most amazing team here at Sweet Chick, from our front of house who interacts with the customers on a daily basis, and the kitchen team works so well with the front of house to make sure the transition of everything is seamless. And the kitchen team really puts so much love and care and hard work into the products and are always striving to give our customers the best experience. And I think when you have a team who really care about the product, I think it really shows.